In this video we're going to have a look at using the clone tool on a real photograph. So first of all, make sure you've got a blank screen here in Photo Plus. Go to the Mass Computing website and we need the bitmap and vector graphics lesson 3 resources. So I'm going to copy this image. This one here is just to tell us what we're doing with this image. So if we notice, we've got 4 areas highlighted in red to tell us what we're going to remove from this image using our clone tool. Back into Photo Plus, Control V to paste the picture in, and then go to the clone tool. You want this as big as you can get on the screen, so use your mouse wheel to zoom in. So I'm going to start off with the person who's standing on the bridge there. Now I'm going to again put the mouse above there and zoom in a little bit more. So sometimes you've got to change the brush. A size 20 is probably okay for this. So what we've got to do is remove the person from the image. Let's just have a look at why we need the clone tool. If we just used a normal brush and said that's the background colour and got the brush, we can see it just doesn't work at all. So we're going to go into our clone tool. We pick a point on the wall, so I'm going to line up with this piece of stone here, so I'm going to go just above that, then hold down shift and click, then very carefully move across. Try not to move up or down as you do that. If you do, try and get back into position, and then we start painting. Now you can see that cross is what we're copying. Take your finger off the brush, otherwise it will just copy what was already there before. And just work our way across there. Now you see it's put a little bit of a pattern on there now, so what I might do is just go over here, shift click, and just paint there, just break up that pattern slightly. So if we zoom out a little bit, we shouldn't know that anyone was there before. Next part then is the bench here. Now for this one, because of the pattern on the paving stones, we do want a somewhat bigger brush. I'm going to go for a size, no, size 50 is not going to do it. Let's try for a size 80. And then you need to pick a point here, hold down shift and click, and then we want to try and line that up with the other paving stones. Now it won't let me paint any further because there isn't anything left there. Don't forget to take your finger off the mouse every so often. So if we get that section done, then I can shift click here and we just get the other sections from there. As shown in the image here, you've got the pipe there and the part of the tree there that we're going to remove from the rest of this image.